Hello friends, I am Sanjeev Shinde from Maharashtra Vidyalaya, Khapargeda. Now we are going to learn 10th standard Science and Technology Part 1 Metallurgy. What do you mean by metallurgy? The process of extraction of metals in pure form from the ores. The metals are purified by different methods of purification, that is called, all this process is called metallurgy. Now our earth is born about 4.5 billion years ago, and there is a many formative process in the core of the earth and surrounding of the earth, so that there is a formation of ores, liquids and gases. Now think about it. The substances around us are in the forms of elements and compounds. Elements, in the second chapter, classification of elements, we learn about 118 elements. So we know the elements. And what do we mean by compounds? The compounds means when two or more elements comes together, there is formation of compounds. Now, second chapter, this is in the classification of the elements. There are 180 elements, and we have to classify these elements on the basis of metals, non-metals and metallites. Also we studied the physical and the chemical properties of the metals. Okay, means when more study we can do at the same time, then there is a one method, that is classification method. Okay, now this method also we learn here also, in this chapter also. Next part is given physical properties of metals. What are the physical property? The first property, metals are in solid state. In my hand there is a scale. This is also in solid. This is a duster, solid. So that metals are now solid things are have the mass and the volume also. So these are the main metals. So all the metals are in solid state except the mercury and gallium. So mercury and gallium are in the form of liquid at room temperature, means normal temperature. Normal temperature in our classroom, the temperature is normal. In our house, the temperature is normal. Means room temperature, liquid, mercury and gallium, these two elements are in liquid state. Then all the metals are in solid state. So our first property is that metals are in solid state except the mercury and gallium. Second property, metals have luster. Luster means chakaki, means they are the lusters. Now our ornaments, that is ring or other ornaments, have lusters. But in our atmosphere, these lusters are decreases due to the in presence of the oxygen and the other gases and the moisture. So due to this, the metals luster decreases when they comes in the contact of oxygen and moisture. Third property, physical property of metal, metals have property of ductility. Means we can make the wire of metals. This is the wire of metal. Means we can make the wires of the metal. So it is a property of ductility. Second also property, malleability. Means now when we struck the metal, then it becomes the like that patra metals. Okay, this scale becomes of metal. Okay, then means This scale is also property of malleability. We can make the patra. Now next property, metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Means suppose this is a wire, and this wire made up of the metal. If we heat it from this end, this heat transfer from one end to another end. So good conductor of heat and also electricity. In our home, the electricity comes from pole through this wire. Means metals are good conductor of electricity also. Then fifth property, metals are hard. Metals are hard. In my hand there is a one thing made up of the metal, and it is a hard. But some metals except lithium, sodium and potassium, these are also metal. But these lithium, sodium and potassium are not hard. It is a soft metal. Means we can cut by knife. Okay. Now sixth property, metals have high melting point and boiling point. Melting point in Marathi it is called Vitaranka, on the temperature on which the metals can melt, that is melting point. And boiling point, Utkalanka. Okay. Means the substances boil at that temperature. Okay, that is called boiling point. Means the metals tungsten have the melting point of 3422 degrees Celsius. In our fill in the blank, we can ask the question. The melting point of tungsten is how much? 3422 degrees Celsius. Now seventh property, metals have property of sonority. Sonority means if these two metals can struck, okay, means there is a sound. There produce a sound. Okay, then that is called sonorous metals. Means the metals which produce the sound, that's called sonorous metal. So all these property. Now we are stopping here. Your homework is write down the physical properties of metals. Okay, thank you.